and the thing is that we are going to have this for 4 days only. And those who don't know, generally we have for 5 days, but every day we're covering a bit more nowadays, so we'll complete in 4 days everything, like class base and hooks which we have told. So we'll do. And let me now share my screen. Okay, so this was what we have done last. We were learning about the different ways to avoid the issue of one sec. Maybe should I increase the font size? Yeah, so some people were telling that there were some issues. Okay, so as always, the assignment also will be given at the end. So that is, and we are going to go beyond 1 hour. 1 hour means most probably 1 hour 15 minutes, or we'll see means how it's go. So we'll be like that, and this is what we done last. We thought that if we do anything as an arrow function, that is the thing which we have done task. And now what we are going to do, we are going to do something known as a method that's props. So we've seen how we pass the data, okay, from a parent component to a child component. Like this, we were passing data. But the problem with React is that React is just a library. It's a like data moves in one direction. Data moving is a very big problem in React. Okay, so the problem to move the data in the opposite direction, like from the children to the parent, is not that much easy. Angular and all, they are complete frameworks, so it is very, very easy. But here we have to use that sort of a trick which React will also know, and that trick is known as method as prop. So how do we pass data in the opposite direction? So soon we are going to see this passing the data will become some problem, and then we use the context API. Context API is also something which I'm going to teach in both the places, class based and functional both. Okay, so first thing is that how to pass data in the opposite direction, which is from a child to the parent. Here we are passing from the parent to the child, like welcome, from the parent app component to the welcome. So we're going to look in a different opposite way. Okay, so that's the way I'm going to do. So here what we are going to do first. Okay, so let us create a, and I have too much of this. I've already given the GitHub for this, so you take the code anyways. Okay, so I will delete it, and I will delete this also. Okay, save it, and it is open. I think that is open. Okay, so that is there. Now what I'm going to create, I'm going to create two components. One is the parent component dot JS. One is child component dot JS, and then child component. In the parent component, we'll have everything as class based. So as you see, I will do export default and parent component, and this will be done. Then const. Okay. This dot state, I will have a parent name is Robin Hood. The parent name is Robin Hood, and this there will be a function known as read parent equal to like this, and we'll do an alert. Alerts are like a pop-up. It will do a pop-up. Okay, so hello dollar this dot speed dot parent name. I'm going to do now in the render. I'm not going to call this function like it is. Okay, so I'm going to call this child component RAFC. The child component will not have any state concept. I'm just doing it as a function component. Okay, so as we have learned, the statement concept we're going to learn later on in the hooks in the function component. So child component, I'm going to import it. The child component I'm going to import, and it is in there. child component, and save it. Now here I'll have a button. It will be read parent. Save it, and let me have the parent component here. Parent component is on here. Save it. Now if I go, so I will have this button being shown. Okay, so that is there. Now what I want to do, as I want to pass the data from the child to the parent in the opposite direction. If I wanted to pass from the parent to the child, I could have easily passed to props. Here also I'm going to pass to props, but in a different way. So for this, first thing what I need to do, I need to pass some props from here. So greet handler. I have a props known as greet handler equal to this dot greet parent. So this greet handler props is there. Okay, and this is calling this props is I'm passing to the child, but this props will call this dot greet parent. So how I'm going to use this here? I'm going to do this child component and this button. So I will just now get a props here. Okay, props. I will get a props, and then in the button I will get on click equal to props dot greet handler. So props name is greet handler. So I'm writing this props dot greet handler. So this is the props and greet handler. So I'm calling this. So on click I'm calling the props dot greet handler. So in a way it is doing the opposite way. So props is coming and it is going the opposite way. And when it is going here, it is calling a function. So that's why it is known as a method. We are calling a callback function. That's why it is known as a function. Okay, so that is there, and so let us go back and see whether it is working. So I do this greet parent, and it is working around. But now the connection is already been established. It's like a path is been established from child component to parent component. I'm still not passing any data, like a props. So how to pass data? So I want to pass some data from the child component to the parent component. So how to do that thing? So first thing is that I want to pass some data. I will pass some data as a parameter. So if I want to pass some data as a parameter, in the previous class we learned we can use the arrow function like this also. So if you want to pass a parameter, so I'll come here and do the so this thing I will do. I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to come back here and here. Now I will get a data here. So child I'm getting it, and I'm going to do a from dollar child. So see, I'm passing the data here from like a props. I'm passing data from here to here. So I'll come back here and do a greet parent. See from so this thing. So it is coming. So I'm able to pass the data in the opposite direction from the child to the parent, and we will through until as props. Okay, so this concept is that. So the next concept which we are going to learn is is the conditional rendering. How to do conditional rendering in React? Okay, there are some way to do conditional rendering. So we're going to do that. So for that, I'm going to come here and do in a component. I'm going to have a user greeting dot js, user greeting dot js, and then RCC for default user greeting. I'll show this user greeting component. Remove this one, save it, and in this user greeting component, we're going to emulate a login. Like when you might have gone to some website in which you, when you log in, it shows that hello your username, and if you're not logging, it shows hello guest. So we're going to show. We are not going to do that all the login code and all. Just we're going to emulate something like this. Okay, our on style do, and there I will going to have a just a in real code also what happens, we get some variable like the data, the login data we get. So is logged in is false. Is login is false. I'm going to do is logged in is false. Then here, what I am going to do here, I'm going to come here and h1 welcome in 2 and h1 welcome test. So these two things I'm going to do. Now I'm going to go back. Okay, so this I'm already done this. So both of those things are shown, but I don't want to show both of this. Based on the is login, I want to show if is login is false, welcome this should be shown. Is login show welcome event should be shown. Again, there are 4 ways to do this thing. The first way is first way we're going to see it is through if else statement. So I'm going to have if this dot state dot is logged in, then return else return this thing, and this return I will delete it and save it. See, now what will happen? See, welcome guest. I'll see, because this the state dot is logged in is false. If I make it as true, so it will be returning this. If I make it as true, and this will show welcome event. So this is how it is. This is method number 1. But returning too many times is not considered a good thing in React. So the method number is 2 is to eliminate that thing. So what I'm going to do here, let message I'll do, and then message equal to and message equal to, I'll do both of this thing, and then I'll do a return message, return the message, return the message. Okay. So I'll save it, and then what I'm doing, I'm saving whatever it is there in the message. So true is there, so right now we're going to have this been shown, and then if it is false, welcome that should be shown. So this is how it is working. So this is method number 2. But the method number 3 is the one which we use most number of times. Okay, method number 3, and method number 4 is only if statement. So method number 3 is the one which we use more than 95% of the time. Sometimes we use this method, but I've seen most of the time people using that method. So method number 3, and it is to ternary operator, which I told earlier. Also ternary operator in ES6 that it is. I am not okay. Right nowadays, Hari told in ES6 that ternary method, and also in ReactJS class you might have seen. So I'll do a return here, and I'll do this dot state dot is logged in, and then like this, and here I'm going to have this. So or welcome. Okay, so on a ternary operator we are doing it. So if it's false, we are getting this. If it is true, we are getting this. Okay, so this is how it is. So it is ternary operator, simple ternary operator. It is true, then this or this is that. So this is the main method which you use. There is a method number 4 which is not actually like if else statement. It is a if statement, only if statement. Okay, so if you regard the if statement, then you can use it. So that method is like, again, and that method is also used a lot, but in a different context. When you only require the if statement, okay, that at that time only it is used. If return dot, and I will have an operator, you've seen this thing, then I'll have h1 and this thing, I'll have the window. So what I'm having here, so see, now it is true, it is showing, but at the moment I make it a false, it will not show. It will go away. Okay. So what is happening here, the thing what is happening here is that, like this dot state dot is logged in is there, and it is true, then it will show this is how it is working. So and an operator you might have seen we using the if statement, like hold this if statement, and which we check the left hand side we check the right hand operates, all those things. Okay, and I have to, Hari might have told that how to use the and or operators. Okay, so that is it. But here it works in a different way. Here we are taking advantage of the internal working of and. So what is the internal working of and? Internal working of and is like that. This dot state dot is logged in is if any statement like the left hand side it is true, then only to go to the right hand side. If it is false, it will not even go to the right hand side. Okay, so if it is true, then it will go to the right hand side and show it. If it is false, it will not go to the right hand side. Okay, so that is what is happening here. So this is something which you have done. So this is done. Now the next thing which we are going to do is a list rendering. Okay, list rendering we are going to do, and let us render a post. So I'll do a list post dot js. Okay. It's okay. We can have a function also because we're not going to have any state or something here. Okay. So what we're going to render actually? So let us render something like nice const post. Okay. Okay. And one sec. Voice break. Okay. Voice. Okay. I don't think is a voice breaking. Not. Okay. Can someone confirm that if the voice is breaking? Okay. I didn't saw this thing. Voice is breaking. So is it still breaking? Is it still breaking? I didn't saw this thing. Okay. Sometimes the chat messages are not being shown. So seeing this in a different thing. So is this still breaking? Okay, is it still breaking? And also okay, please confirm if the voice is still breaking. Okay, so nobody's confirming, so I will. Okay, so I'll continue. Okay, maybe in the starting it was breaking. I don't know why. Suddenly maybe the data will. Okay, so I'll have this post. I'll have this post, and this post. Let's take something like real, like from where I'm going to take this post. So this JSON placeholder. I don't want to take the users. I want to take the posts. Okay. So this post I will take from here. JSON. We have seen this a lot of time. JSON placeholder post. So I'm going to take it from here, and let me take three of them. Okay. So post array of object. We are going to see how to loop through array of object. So post equal to this, and this. I'm going to remove some of the things which I don't need. Like this, I don't need. This I don't need. This I don't need. It is there. Array of object is this. So how to loop through it? How to loop through it? We are going to see. So to loop through it, I just have to go here and do a post dot map. See, map is very important in React. Map is very important in React, and that is what we are learning. So map is very important. So map post dot map, and when you do map, so it will give me each one of the object. It will give me each one of the object. So I can say it as post. It is always good to take the singular of it. Okay, post I'm going to say, and then let me first show it here. Then I'm going to convert it into a different component. Yeah, take it to a different component. I will do a h1 here, h1, and then I will do a post. h1 and post. Okay, h1 and post dot, not post dot. Maybe I will do the title, post or title, post or title, because post will give me each of the object. Post or title, I'll do save it. Did I do? Okay, I didn't get the list post. So I'll do the list post here, and I will remove it. And now I'll go back, and I'm getting all these things. It is okay. So this is how it is done. So that's a map is used a lot. So what is happening when we do through map? So map, the main thing with map is that it sends us back. If I have array of three things, it will send back three things. But I'm adding in each one of them h1. H1 I'm adding. Okay, so that is like this h1 I'm adding. Okay, so that is there. And then what I am going to do? Okay, so let me go here. So everything seems okay, but if I open the console, I got an error. Some old error is also there, but let me refresh it now. So I got an error. Each child in the list should have a unique key prop, and it's a warning, but a red warning means it's a good error. But it will not do anything on your thing. But if you're working in a project and your team lead sees this, he will yell at you, because this is like a red error. It should not be there. There's something in React which everybody should know. That is that React does a performance optimization of when we loop through something, and for that it is telling that it needs a unique key props. So whenever we get something from a database like this is also sometimes from a database, we get a unique ID always, or else you have to give something unique. See, the title might be also unique here, but here the ID is unique. Most of the time you get from the backend team, a unique thing is always required. So because we need that unique thing, in always a content, the unique thing is required, and React expect us to pass that unique thing here. So in this h1 I have to pass a key prop always when I'm looping it through a map key, and that thing should be unique. And what is the unique here? Unique is post dot id is unique. 1 2 3 save. Now come back here, delete it, refresh it. No, it is not. I'm not getting that error anymore. So this is how it is. But in now what we're going to do in real world scenario, what happened? This whole data I want to represent, I want to show this. I will take it in a different file. I will take it in a different file. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to come here and create a new component like post item.js, post item.js, post item.js, and here I'm going to call this post item.js. So instead of like this h1 and this h1, post item, I'll call post item. So post item is also imported post item, and key I have to pass, and I will pass the whole post here. So post equal to post. That's in the whole post. Now whole post is an object. Okay, anyways. So I'm going to also destructure it here. So or else I have to use props dot post. I don't want to do that. Okay, post post. I will do that post. Then I can directly use it. Okay, this is generally how we do it. Like this div, I will give this div which is going to learn styling, because we want to show it like I'm going to tell what is going on. So ID, I am going to show like this post dot ID h2 item is post dot title, and the last thing is like body. So a paragraph, and it will show post dot body. Save it. Now I'll come here and see it. Okay, see all of these things are showing perfectly. Okay, so this is how we render the list. Now we are going to learn about styling React component. Styling React component we are going to learn. Okay, thank you. Okay, those who are watching from LinkedIn, can you please come and watch it on YouTube? So because sometimes I give the chat, it doesn't goes there, and I don't actively monitor the LinkedIn chat. Okay, so please watch it on YouTube. You can find my YouTube channel anywhere on my LinkedIn. There are a lot of things out there. Okay, or one second. One second. Let me give the YouTube. Give me. Let me give the link. Okay, and so that the YouTube. Okay. Again, it is breaking. Again, it is breaking. Okay, I think it is not breaking right now. Okay, so one sec. Let me give the people who are watching it on YouTube, watching it not on YouTube, you are the who are watching it on LinkedIn. Okay, so please. Okay, so I'll give the link directly. Please watch on YouTube. And those who are new here and they have not liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please, it will help it to grow. So we're doing a lot again. So after me today, Mosam is also going to take the class of CSS. Those who don't know, he will take at 3:45 p.m. IST. Okay, so please be there if you want to learn CSS. He's one of the best teacher out there. He's a corporate trainer also. He takes corporate training on CSS. So it will you will be very lucky to learn from him. Okay, so please do come and please do learn from him CSS. Okay, he'll be taking it. Okay, so that is there. Now the thing which we are going to learn is like styling React component. So one way to style React component is a normal way, like this app component is there, app.css is there. So we'll do it like this. Okay, so one way is like that. So let us we'll style this post item. So first let us do the normal way. So I'll come here and a component and I have to create a post item dot css, post item dot css, and here let me in this div I will do a class name, and now this class name is there. So container I do. Okay, container I do, and I also have to import the path post uh, item dot css. Okay, dot css you so like this you import post item dot css and save it. Now this post item this is not a normal css. So only the thing is here the class name is there. So I'll do a dot container and background color is this 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 disk, maybe disk, background color is disk, and I go here the background color is disk is there. Let me give some padding also, because without padding it's not good. Padding 10 pixel, it is also connected. So let me give a margin bottom is like 5 pixel. Save it. So it is shown like okay. So that is it. So this is the one way to give the styling, and this is the normal way JavaScript term is your HTML way, not JavaScript HTML way. So the other way is to we learn how to get the inline styling. So in HTML inline styling, we have shown how to do this inline styling in HTML. There we have a style tag, but a bit different thing is there. So we're going to do how in React it's a bit different way. So suppose I want to do style is h1. So I'll do a first I have to create an object of it. Okay, const h1 style. Anything I can write h1 style equal to this object is this there. Okay, so background color is yellow and color is dark G, P, and PA, and the padding is 5 pixel. How to use it? So we use it with the style tag which we have in React also. 100 React HTML also we have this style tag. So I'll do style equal to this h1 styled and save. See whether it is coming. Yeah, it is coming fine. So now what are the differences here? See, the differences here is that from HTML perspective also, see, it is It is an object actually, perfect object. Like I have a key value pair, then I have comma. But when you give a CSS, it is not an object. It is like a like this is there. Okay, semicolon is there. Here there is no semicolon. If semicolon, it will be error. Other thing is that this is a camel casing. See background color. Here the background color dash is there. It's a camel casing. The other thing is that right hand side is always a quotes, or always a single quotes or a double single quotes. Even for yellow, it is there. Even for padding, it is there. So this is the difference, and then we are going to directly use it like this. So this is the and inline styling and this type of styling people use a lot. But inline styling, there is another shortcut to use it, which people love to do, and that shortcut is like, again, if the audio is okay, again some problem, is there. Okay, is there some problem again, some problem? But because I'm not seeing any problem from here, that like microphone is working fine here. So if again some problem is there, can someone please? Okay, don't know what is happening. Okay, today my Mac have some problems. I'm broadcasting from my Windows PC, so this is also a new setup for me. But again, we'll start with the Mac from tomorrow. Its keyboard is broken. Okay, so that is there. Please bear with us. Okay, so maybe no problem. So I was asking, but nobody's telling that if there is a problem or not. Or maybe I will change the audio itself from my microphone to what is there. Is am I visible? Okay. Okay, so I've done again with the audio only, but a different thing I've done. Okay, so no problem. So please tell if you have still have some problems. Okay, so that is there. Then this title and all, so we are seeing this thing. This is the another way. So as I've told, the other way is like a shortcut of this thing, which generally most of the time people uses that a lot. So what happens is style tag. I will again do this style again here, equal to this. But why to have an object outside? I can take this whole object and do it here. So then it will be double curly bracket, but double curly bracket, you are understanding for what I have given. Okay, so for this I can, so h2 background color, I will give GST light. I don't know whether it's a color or not. Dark blue. I know this is a color. Dark blue and 2 pixel. Maybe save it. So at least been shown. Right. So this is been shown, and generally we don't give it like this. We try to do it in one line. So like this, we are going to try to do it. And color, maybe I will not give the color. Let it be the black color. Adding this. Okay. Okay. So like this, it is right. Like this, h2 is there, and it is showing like this. Save it, and it will show. Okay. So that is okay. Now the last thing, the post. We are not you're watching your screen. I'm watching my screen. Okay, problem is created. Okay, I'm not understanding. So is there any problem right now also? Okay, so can you confirm? Okay, so that is there. Now what we are going to do, we are going to, because I've streamed sometimes from this Windows system also, it was not causing any problem. I don't know why it is, because I'm on broadband. So that is there. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do one thing in CSS, which is known as style component. This is a very important thing, and people love style component for various of reasons. But the thing is that the problem with normal CSS is that it is even in HTML CSS also, it is a sort of global. If I give this container class only in this post item.css, container class at a lot of other places also. And it will affect. If I give a common H1 class at some case, it will be affected by all the other H1. So to make the CSS modularized, to stay at one place, we use different kinds of solutions. And the most popular solution right now is something known as the styled component. So what is the styled component? Styled component. And it is also known as CSS in JS library. Okay, style component.com. I'll go and documentation. I'll go. Where is the installation? And then first, it is the external library. So we will install it, and you'll see what's the benefit of it. I'll do Control J, and because I'll do git bash, and I'll do npmi and style the component. I'll do this thing. Okay. So style component is installed. So how to use the style component? Okay. So let us go to the documentation. So style component, you have to use it like this. Okay. Use it like this. Suppose I will take this. Okay. And they have not told one thing. I think they missed to tell this thing. I would import it also. Import styled from style component like this. And then as they have told, let us do that like this. So title and all I've done. The title I don't want to do. I want to do a para. So I will name is style para. And so I will change this. So I will do style dot p. I have to do, and font size 1 em is right. Text align center is and color scale while that is okay. So I'll save it. Nothing will happen. I've imported and did something like this. Then how to do it? So I'll replace this p with style para. Okay. Seems like a React component, but it's not a React component. It's a style p I will do, and then I will go back here and see. So the color and all are different now. Okay. So it is shown like this. Okay. So it is like it should be dark blue. Because that is very light. Okay. So dark blue and font weight is bold is okay. So the thing which you might have seen, so it is not like a normal CSS. Okay, normal CSS is not. It is not like a object. It's a normal CSS, font size and the color and all those things. But I have to write it like this. So why? What is the benefit of it? What is the benefit of it? And benefit they have mentioned, but there are some other benefits also which you can go through the documentation. With the project, you'll see what the benefit. So benefit is like this button example. They are given. I'll take this button example as it is. So I'll do this button and I'll come here and button is there and come here and see whatever I want to get style dot button style dot p like this. Okay, then I will do here this normal and this one. So I will save it and normal and I'll save it. See now what will come? See these two buttons will be there. Okay, so what is the difference here? Okay, so the difference here is what is the benefit, not what is the benefit here? So the benefit here is like a lot of time what happens, a lot of CSS code is same. CSS code is same. Like this all code was same. This all code was same. But the thing in the button which was different is like a background color. So background color is this pale violet and white, and this color is like this. So it is both of the buttons are actually opposite of each other. So in the first button, which is the normal button, see the background is white. So in the first button, I'm not passing any props. See, sometimes with this library, what happens? They use the same name. This is not a React props. This is a different props. This is not a React props. So this is not a React props. Okay. So I'm not passing any props here. So what will happen in the first button? Props is nothing. Props of time is nothing. So background will be white. background is white, and there is no props. Color is pale violet. Color is pale. In the second one, I'm passing a props of primary. This style component props are passed like this. Okay, primary I'm passing. So now what will happen? The primary in props is there. So background is pale violet, and the color is white. So this will happen like this. Okay. So this is the benefit of it. So if some little bit of code is different, you can do it like this. So this is the style component benefit. So we are done here. Now we are going to learn about something control component. See, control component is been referred to form in React. Okay, forms and React are also known as control component, because forms is always very important, whether it is in JavaScript, whether it is in React, whether it is in Angular. In fact, in Angular we have two kind of forms. Okay, reactive form and template. If you go through my Angular course, you will see that thing. Okay, so Angular is also there on the channel, but we concentrate on React because React has the most number of jobs. But we do Angular also because in some time India, some Angular is also required. So let us now understand how to create forms in React. It's a very important thing. Forms are the integral part of the web apps. Okay, so I will come here and do a demo form.js, and here I'll do a RCC export default demo form, and now okay, now we'll have a form here. The R const. So in React form, what happens? This whatever I want to take. So first I'll have a state of user name, and like this I'm going to have, and then this form I'm going to have a div here, and in this div, because div we require, or else we all know that it will be in the same length, because everything is uh, in line enough. Okay, so HTML form user name I'll do, and then it is user name, and then in put type is text, id equal to user name, HTML form. Okay, one more difference. What is this HTML form? HTML form is a for of your label. Label is a for element. Those who don't know, it is in HTML, label is a for element, and that is connected to the ID. But in in a JavaScript file, you cannot take a for, because for is a loop. This is a JavaScript file. So again, this is a bit different. Instead of for, we take this as the HTML for, again a JSX thing. Okay. So ID is username I've taken, and the value will be equal to this dot state dot username. This dot state dot username value is this dot state dot username. This is something which is required in React. Okay, and React, one more thing is that name is not required. Name is not required. The voice is still breaking. I don't know why, but the voice is still breaking. Okay. Someone again. So okay. Okay. I'm not seeing this thing. This some of these things. Okay. So what we can do? Maybe. Will use my laptop mic, which is not that advanced, but let us see is if I use my laptop mic, what happens. So please, okay, so please tell if it is still breaking. Okay, please tell if it is still breaking. I don't know why I'm not even going to my YouTube. Okay, I'm going to my YouTube. Okay, one sec. Let me see my YouTube channel and all. So today a lot of issues are coming. Okay, is it okay now? Is it okay now? So I'm asking it on YouTube. Is it okay now? So I've just changed my voice source again, and okay. So thanks. Okay, so maybe my microphone is having some issues, so I've changed it and all. So that is okay. I'm now speaking through my laptop. Okay, so that is there. So label. I've done these things like values this dot state dot username, and this is state dot username. Okay. This is what you have to do in React. You have to take the value. The name I have told in HTML, name is there. Okay, so name is not required in React. You have to, but you have to take the value, which is like this the state of username I have taken. Okay. Now I will show. I think I'm not showing it in demo form. So demo form. I'll show. I will save it. Now and see this thing. So the username is there. Let there be some space here. Save it, and now this is there. Now let me try to type here. Let me try to type here, but I'm not able to type anything. I'm not able to type anything. I'm actually pressing my key. I'm not able to type anything. So why I'm not able to type anything? Because in React what happens, everything means these are known as controlled component, right? It works in a different way. So one sec, I'll show an image. So what happens in React, this value is not getting updated. See this, when this component will be rendered again, then only I will see the value. So what's the solution of it? First I will show the solution of it, then I will tell how it is been solved. Okay. So what we need to do here, we will have on change handler here. On change handler here. On change is equal to this dot handle user change. This dot handle user change. I've done, and then this handle user change equal to e event dot e whatever I can do like this, and I will make an arrow function, or else you all know that this issue is there which you have seen yesterday. This dot set state is like a user name is event dot target dot value, event dot target dot value. So what I've done here, let me first see the value. It is working right now, and yeah, it is working. I'm able to type everything in right now. Why it is working? So what happens? See, this is what happens here. So I have a username, but see this thing. What happens here? I have, when the initial component renders, I have this value like this dot state dot username. There I have that's the email I have. So then on change handle is what? On change handle will fire the moment I type something there. The moment I type something there, the on change handle will fire. On change handle will fire some event. Okay. So the moment I type even and here I type this on change handler will fire. It will go to this thing, and what it will do, it will take the event dot target dot value. Event dot target dot value is and. So now my email here in this case have become and. So the moment I change the state, my email was like here and this string. Now it has become and. So I've changed it. So and you have changed it. This and we know whenever this dot set states run, then the component re-render. We have done this yesterday. Component will re-render and then it will show the latest value. And so it's like a cycle. It will happen like this. It will happen. Okay, so that is like this. It will done. Okay, so that is there. And this is something which you have to do always in React. So even if I have some like now I'll have another div, and I will have a label and HTML for comment and comment. I'll have and text area I will have, and name. Okay, name we don't want. I don't know why it is giving. Maybe it is giving because of in HTML it is required. Okay, so comment is there, and okay. So one more thing, this value and on change I require. What is the things? Value and value will be comment, and I have to make a comment here also. Initial state will be like this empty string comment, and this I have to comment use a different function. Okay, this is a shortcut for this which I'm going to fill later on. So there's a trick to avoid this thing. So I have to see here what will happen if I have 10 things. I have to use this again and again and again. Okay. Okay. Voice is again breaking. Okay. Okay, I will do one thing. We'll do today this thing, and then we'll stop. Anyways, I'm going to uh, cover it tomorrow. Maybe I'll get back to my Mac, and I don't know what problem is happening today. Okay, so day 2 attendance is here. Day 2 attendance is here. Okay, so let me complete this thing. So this HTML for again the comment I have taken. Okay, so again, second. So this handle comment we have to create it again. So I will go here and do the handle comment change, and here I will do this comment save it. So now if I go back here and I can write anything here. Okay, I can write anything here. Okay. So that is there, and now the last thing which we are going to do in this form, and I should have some BR here, so it's not looking good. Okay, and one more thing, BR is with this backslash is there. Okay, so save it, and then I'll have another BR here, and then I'll have a div, and this time we will see how to do a drop down. Okay, so LNGUAGE, then LNGUAGE language, and then we'll have a select name. Again, I don't need ID, I need value and on change will be here. Value and on change. So value I will have this as language, and change I will have this as lang change I will have, and then so this again the same thing we'll have. Then we'll have a option here. Value will be React, and will be React and React native, React native, and Angular like this I'll have. So this is how we do. But if I save it, okay, I have not given this handle lang change, or else it will be error. So I'll come here and handle lang change equal to like this. Again the same thing I have to do, only this language. I'll come here and this language I'll do, and so this language I've done, save it. Okay. But I'm not given any language here. So we'll see one thing. So this language is coming anyways, not an issue, and I can also change it. But if I give something here, and we should always give it, and this language, and the value is taken from here. So language I should give from a language. By default, whatever is the first, it will be taken as the first. Like React is saying, suppose I want to show Angular first. So what I'll do, anyways, the language is having something, so I'll do the Angular here. Save it. Now, if I go here, so the Angular is shown by default. So that is it. So the last thing which is remaining is to submit this form. Submitting a form is very important. So inside the form, we will have a button, like a button, and it will be submit. And whenever we have a button inside the form, it should be of type submit. Type submit. It should be type submit, or input type submit also you can take. So button of type submit you taken. So this button is there. Now this will run on submit. So here in React, what happens? You have another handler known as on submit handler, and this will call some function. This dot handle submit. Okay, this is handle submit. We can take any name. This is handle submit. Okay. So like this, I'll go and now I'll do a handle submit equal to, again I'll have an event, and as we know, this let us see the console.log off on the this dot state. I'll do only the destruction, because see, we are going to soon see something like this. We are going to do an API call from here. See, in real world projects what happened, and we're going to see that in the next. I could have shown it in this class, but there is some voice problem is there. So the last step is how to do the API call in class base, and when we're going to see that, we're going to do the API call from here. Okay, so I'll save it. Okay, and I will go back here and have to open the console, and let me see whether it is coming or not. Okay, that's submit, and it has come, but it has refreshed this thing, because in React also we have the same problem. So just like in JavaScript, a form, when it is submitted, it will refresh the browser, and it is very bad thing in React. So we'll always have to do event dot prevent default, the same thing which you do in JavaScript. So now again I will go, and this time I'll do this should work, and yeah, submit it. It is coming like this, and then we send this data to the database in most of the cases. Okay, so it is there, and thank you all for attending. And today we face some issue. I will check the video again, means whether we are seeing this thing or not. I'm going to check that thing. Okay, so because we have today another class also coming, so we need to fix that before that class. So we have a class at 3:45. Most probably we are going to fix it. So I'm going to see the video what is the issue, and thank you all for attending. So I'm ending a bit soon today. I wanted to go till 1:30, but it's okay. I'm going to cover everything in the Wednesday. There is no class. It is on from now on. It is on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. We are going to at TWD. We are going to change this thing, like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. We are going to have this 4-day long classes. We are going to increase the size of each of the class from 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. It will be like that. So in 4 days we can complete everything. So that is there, and see you all at 3:45 p.m. and with Mawsum taking the CSS. Thank you all.